Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to texture paint an object in Blender. This is very basic. Everyone knows this. Everyone knows about this in Blender, and this is very cool. But some people doesn't know these features which included in Blender. So this is very cool feature. So first I have created this cube. I am going to create a new cube. You can also do this on default cube, but I am going to create a new cube. So let's texture paint this cube. So what we are going to do is first we are going to unwrap this, but this default cube was already unwrapped in the UVs. This is important. We have to unwrap this first. Okay, after unwrapping, what we have to do is go in texture paint, and here this window will pop up, and here texture paint, in texture slot, click on texture slot, click on this plus icon, and click on this base color, and select whichever color you want. I want red color, and add. See, the cube is on red color. We can also change this color from here. If you want blue color, see, like this we can paint on any object. We can also decrease the size of the brush by uh, bracket, like Photoshop square bracket. If you want this color, click on this object and turn this full, and see. If you want this color, wait 1 second, this color, like this you can blend colors. You are getting the idea. We can paint it on object like this. You can also create one eyeball on this. You can use this technique for eyeballs of cartoon characters, or we have to paint this somewhere. This is a very cool feature in Blender. Like this we can paint on any object without using Photoshop. And if you want to add one logo on this character, on this paint, what we have to do is click here texture. Here, see my icon. Here, this is texture written on this line. Here line in bottom is texture written. Click on that, and click on here, add new, open one logo, one PNG file, whichever you want to create a logo. You have to create a PNG file in Photoshop. So see, now it is pop up. Now go in here. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay, click here on tool and go in texture and click here. This is mapping. In mapping, we have to select stencil. So one stencil will pop up here. So click left click and drag on our logo and just paint on our spider. So like this we can add any logo or object on any object. You can add a logo on any object by using this method of texture painting in Blender. This is very cool feature in Blender. I love this feature very much, so that we can paint texture on all logos directly on the, you know what I'm saying. So see this, like this we can create a cool looking texture, hand painted. We can blend colors also. If you want this yellow color, you can also click on this yellow color, go and again paint it. You can also select the brush also. I have created this brush. Click here and see. This is very cool feature in Blender. see, see our texture is here. And don't forget to save this texture, huh? If you created the texture, sometimes the texture will is gone, so we have to click on image and save. Wait, we have to save the textures also. The option is somewhere around here only. Select. Mm, See, the option is here, so we have to save the texture. Let me see it is showing in render view or not. So we have to create this texture and we have to save this. The option is here only somewhere. Image, new, get new image, image, and save. Desktop, save. So like this, we have to create this image. Let me see it is showing on the render view or not. Yeah, it is showing on render view. So like this, we can create a cool. Let me add some light. It is very dark right now. So this is a cool feature in Blender. See, this is a cool feature in Blender. I have created this awesome texture in just few minutes. Like this, we can paint on any object in Blender. So this is a short video on how to create a texture paint, how to texture paint any object in Blender. It is also in sculpting mode. If you have, if you go in sculpt mode, there is another way to paint an object in sculpt mode. So there are three options to paint. One is this texture paint, one is logo paint. Uh, you are getting my message what I'm trying to say. This is complicated, but you are getting my message what I'm trying to say. So this is very cool feature in Blender. This is not available in Maya. If I'm this is I don't know, but in Blender this feature I like very much. That logo, see the spider logo is popping very beautifully. So we can paint on any object very easily in Blender. Blender is also a powerful tool. Don't take me in a wrong way. It is also a powerful tool. We can animate in Blender. We can do texture painting in Blender. By only single software, we can do many things in Blender, and it is free. So it is a very cool option. So that's it for today, guys. Let me take a quick render. Let me take a quick render here. Wait 1 second. Where is my camera? My camera, dude. Yeah, let me take a quick render for our thumbnail. Oh, Jaggery Magari. Nice. Let me save this image. Save as JPG. Where is JPG? And then spider. Okay, let's go. So that's it, friend. This is very short video on how to texture paint an object in Blender. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.